Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all today? How are you all feeling? Are you feeling good? Yes, very good. Did you have your breakfast? Your tummies are full? Yes? Great job. Very good. And did you pray to Allah? Yes? Did you thank Him for a nice and lovely morning, for another day that He has given? Yes? Very good. Now tell me, students, what we did yesterday. Yes, we learned about signs and instructions. That is very, very important for your safety, right? Now, today we are going to learn something which is related to grammar. Okay? And that I'm going to tell you in a minute. I'll show you some pictures and you are going to identify the pictures. Okay? Now, what is this picture about? It's a cow, correct. It's a cute cow. Now, okay. Now, how many cows are there? These are another cow of different color, and this is another cow. So, how many cows are there altogether? Three cows. Very good. So, there are, we can say, three cows, right? Okay. Now, tell me, which animal is this? It's a owl, correct. It's an owl. Very good. Now tell me that how many owls are there altogether? One, two, three, and four owls. Very good. There are four owls. All right. Now, which animal is this? It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. Now, how many butterflies are there? One, two, and three. Altogether, how many butterflies? Three butterflies. Very good. There you go. Three butterflies. Okay. Now, all right. Now, what is this that I'm holding? It's a crow, and it is also a bird. Wow. It's a bird. And again, another bird. So how many birds are there altogether? There are two birds. Very good. There are two birds. Right? Okay. So what are actually these? Birds, crows, owls, butterflies, and birds. These are the plurals. What are these? These are the plural words. These are the plurals, right? So we are going to learn today about the plural. Now remember, singular means one, plural means more than one. I have shown you one animal, then I have shown you more than one animal, right? So one is singular and more than one is plural, right? Okay. Now let's see a presentation. Okay. Let's go. Can you see my screen, children? Yes? Now singular and plurals. Now see here, look at a single tree. This is only one tree, right? Now look at three trees. Now these are how many trees? Three. So it becomes plural. First it was single, one, and later on it became plural. Now look at the following picture. What do you see? Now singular monkey, that is one monkey is singular. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys, right? So it is a plural. So what is a plural noun? Plural nouns are more than one, like dog or dogs. Now you have to follow some rule for making plurals. Now what are those rules? Rule number 1 is add s. Cat plus s will become cats. What you have to do? You have to add an s. Okay? But sometimes you also add ies. You remove the y and you write down ies, like in this butterfly. I'll explain you in a minute. So that means that these are few examples of singular and plural, like bird, birds, broom, brooms, camel, camels, desk, desk, doll, dolls, egg, eggs, flower, flowers, folk, folks, game, games, lamb, lambs, nest, nest, pen, pens, photo, photos, shirt and shirts. So these were the how we make the singular into plural. You add an s at the end, right? But sometimes you have to add ies. You will the words which have a y at the end, to make it plural, you remove the y and you will write down ies, like I have done in butterfly. In butterflies, I have removed the y and I have added ies to make it plural. Understood? Okay, now let's watch a video. And again, that video is our edible video. Okay? Alright, there you go. Can you all see my screen, children?
Singular and plural. What is singular and what is plural? Let's find out. One egg. It's a single egg. It's a singular. Singular. Basket full of eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. It's a plural. A bunny. Single bunny is a singular. It's a single bunny. Oh, 2 bunnies. 3 bunnies. 3 bunnies make it a plural. So anything which is more than one is a plural and one is singular.
Okay. So understood, anything that is more than one is a plural and one is singular, right? Like I have shown you one picture, one is will be the singular, and if there are more than one, it will become plural, right? So what do we do and what is the rule for making it plural? You add an s and sometimes you add ies also, but you need not to go into that detail. We'll be doing that later on, but only for today you just need to remember the plural words, that what is the rule for the plurals. You have to add an s to make it plural, right? Now you can see on my whiteboard here I have written few words. Now I'm going to read out those words for you, then you are going to tell me what are the plurals in these words. Okay, let's go. All right, the first word is frogs, goat, bats, hat, cats, dog, and a lamb. Now, out of these words, can you tell me what are the plurals in these words? What are the plural words? Come on. Yes, frog. Very good. Then, which other word is plural? Bats. Very good. Which other word is plural? Cats, very good. Dogs, very good. So these are the plural words. You have made it plural by adding s over there, right? Okay. Now let's make a sentence. Let's make few sentences with these words. Okay, I'm going to write it down over there on my whiteboard and we are going to discuss the sentences. All right. Now, the first plural is, which is the first plural? Frogs. Frogs. Come on, tell me the sentence. There are many frogs in the pond. There are many frogs in the pond. Our next plural is bats. Come on, can I can see two bats on that tree. Right? Bats. The next word is cats. These cats are very cute. These cats are very cute. Now dogs. There are two dogs. There are two dogs on the road. Or you can see there are two dogs running in the park. Right? Now see how the sentences, they are not simple sentences. They are more interesting and they have been elaborated. Like there are many frogs in the pond. I can see two birds. It could be I can see two birds. That's it. But no. In order to make the sentence more interesting, more elaborated, we have elaborated by adding few words like I can see two bats on that tree. Right? In the same way, it could be these are cats. That is a simple sentence, but in order to make it more interesting, we have added these are very cute cats. We have added the adjectives over here. In the same way, about dogs, there are two dogs running in the park. It could be that there are two dogs in the park. No, but in order to make it more interesting, I have added here verbs, right? So there are two dogs running in the park. You see how you make the sentences look more interesting? Yes. So you can either add any verb, you can either add any describing word to make your sentence look more interesting, right? Because now since you are gradually growing, you are going to learn more new things. So you should know how to write nice, interesting sentences rather than writing just simple sentence. Do you understand? Okay. Now what you are going to do is you are going to write sentences of all the words which are singular on from my board and make sentences with those words. So singular words are goat, hat, lamb. Three words, goat, hat and lamb. Make sentences formed with these words. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Your time is up. Show me your sentence. Okay. Well, which sentence you have written about goat? I have a goat. Okay. Now see again, this is a simple sentence. In order to make it more nice and interesting, what you can add? I have a I have a big goat, or I have a brown color goat, or my goat is very cute, like that. Okay. And what about next word? Which is the next word? Hat. Correct. I have a big hat which is of brown color. Or you can say I have a big brown color hat. Right? Okay, now it's lamp. This lamp is very cute. Or this cute lamp lives in a farm. Right? So you see how you have made your sentences more interesting, more nice, and all these words were singular and plural. So what we did today in the class, well, how are you going to wrap up the session? How are you going to wrap up your class session? Yes, you learned about the plural nouns and how to make the word nouns plural, right? You have learned how to make the nouns plural by adding S, correct. Now, do remember to do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal, and do watch these videos again. These are all available on the websites, and you can like those videos so then you can watch them later. Okay, so see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.